Hello, this is my review of this Louis Vuitton book. As you can see, it has a hardcover and it's around 550 pages. I love that it tells us history about how the Louis Vuitton has been built, who was behind it, what was their first bag, and it's also showing the different history and how it's all started. You can see it covers the modern history right now. And it also covers the history of how it all has been made, why they choose their first canvas bag, how it all started. And I also love that it has a lot of pictures. It's very well illustrated. And it's very thick pages too, as you can see. Overall, whether you're looking for a book for yourself or your loved one and you want to know history of Louis Vuitton, this book is must have. Highly, highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.